to all, we can start the new chapter, that is lesson 6. The name of this chapter is Water Storage and Quality. Water storage and quality. The lesson 6. See, in between I can see some of you have unmuted. Don't do that. Mute it. Everybody, mute your audio. Okay. So, in this chapter, first we can discuss about the importance of water. So, those who know the answer, I am giving one chance for to express your ideas. Okay. What are the importance of water? Those who know the answer, they can raise their hand. So I will give chance. Okay. So who can say about importance of water? Who know about it? Okay, I can see so many hands. Okay, then unmute your audio and share your view.
We want to drink.
Okay, without water you can't live. Okay. Not only human beings, plants, animals, yeah, everywhere, everything needs water for their life. Okay, so only for drinking, only for the drinking purpose. Okay, cleaning purpose. Okay.
Washing.
Washing. Okay, then please mute it. Let me give the chance to some other students. Okay, Alona. Alona is ready to see. Yeah, Alona, unmute it and tell it.
Clean water.
Okay, sorry, once again.
Water every day.
Okay, for cleaning. Okay, for cleaning, washing, for cooking. Very important, right? Cooking. Tonio?
Bathing.
Yes, Tonio. Bathing. Okay.
What do you want? Bathing.
Okay. Okay, bathing. For this all purpose, water it is very important. Okay, so you understood the importance of water. Without water, we can't grow crops. If we are not able to say, mute your audio. So here we can see, we know about the importance of water. Without water, we can't cultivate, we can't grow crops. If we are not growing crops, we won't get the food. So water, it is very important, right? So I want to ask you, which are the main sources of water? So you may have some doubt about what do you mean by source. Source means something from where we get water. Source is something from where we get water. So those who know the answer, raise your hand. In the smaller classes, you might have learned about the sources of water. From where all we will get water. So now I want to see, I want to get the answer. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Which are the sources of water? From where all we will get water? Okay, raise your hand. Those who know the Angelo, please unmute it, Angelo. Yes, Angelo.
From the rain we will get water.
Okay, very good answer. Rain is the important source of main source of water. Okay. So and is there anybody know other answer? Can you name the other sources of water? So rain, it is the very important main source of water. Understood. And Len, unmute it.
River.
Okay, river. Only the river? Only the river? Just think. Only the river? Only we will get water from river. You are saying, you are near to that answer. Okay, let me give chance to Ethan. Ethan. Okay, unmute it, Ethan. Unmute it. Well, okay, so I got river, well. So, sea, okay. Sea. So these all we can call lake, pond. Akshat, sit in a proper place, Akshat. Okay, so here we can see river, well, pond, lake, ocean. These all contain water in it, right? These are called water bodies. Okay, so water bodies are the bodies which contain water in it. So another source of water is what all that water bodies. But important source of water, it is the rain itself. Then another one is there, underground water. After the rain, when the soil absorbs water, that all collects under the ground. In between the rocks are present under the ground. In between the rocks, this rainwater is all collected. So underground water is there, water in the water bodies, then rainwater. These are the main sources of water. Okay, so now we have to learn. Say in our country or in Kerala, we will get rain only for 3 or 4 months, right? 3 or 4, at least 3, or sometimes we may get some heavy rains during some rainy season. After that, we won't get rain. So during the summer season, from where we will get the rain then? Who can say? Who can say? We can get rainwater only during the rainy season. Rainy season is in 2 or 4 months. So from where we will get the water in the other season? So who can say it? Okay, Ethan is ready. Any other student? No. Okay, let me ask to Ethan. Ethan, please unmute it.
Well.
Okay. Okay. So you told, very good answer. Okay, well, from well we can draw water. Using motor pump, we can take the water from it. Very good. So, well, but in the well, we can store this rainwater. Okay, in the earlier times and also in nowadays, present days, we can store water in these wells. So, for the other seasons, we can get the water by storing this rainwater. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the water storage system. We are going to learn about different water storage systems which were used in the earlier days and also in the present days. Okay, so Ethan told it is well. We can store the water in well. Very good. We can store water in the well, and well is the one of the source of water also. Well is one of the sources of water, and also we can store rainwater in it. In the same way, see how this well gets water. You told through the rain we get, and also through the underground water. Okay, say in our place, after digging the well, we will get the water easily, because in our place the ground water level is high. When we dig some deep into the soil, we will get the water. But in some places, the ground water level is so deep. Those places, people have to dig a lot into the ground. So they have to go so deep into the ground. Then only they can see the water. They will get the water. So if the groundwater level is almost around the ground, we can dig the well, we can take the water even with our hand. Some places are there, we can take the well water even with our hand. But some at your home, sometimes you may be using some ropes and bucket. So ropes and bucket, we can use it for drawing water from the well. But in North India, it is too hot, right? There the underground water level is so deep. So we have to dig a lot deep into the water. So if we get water so deep in there, how can we take it? It is not easy to draw water through the ropes and buckets there. So what they will do? They will make some steps into it. They will construct some step into it so that they can walk through that and step down through the well and they can take the water. Like that type of wells are called step wells. See, you can see the picture of that step well in page number 30 of your textbook. Okay, page number 30 of your textbook. Here, these step wells are also like our well. But what is the difference? These wells are too deep. So to get water, there may be steps. So they can go through the steps and they can take the water. See, these all beautiful in North India, we can see, these step wells were made by the earlier days, some kings and all that had made these homes, right? So at that time, see, they had constructed a beautiful step well. These old step wells we can visit there. Okay, so this step wells and our common well, these are we can use it for storing water. Okay, I hope all you understood about the step well.
Yes, ma'am. 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 Ma'am, I can't hear. I can't hear you. Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, I can hear. Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay. So Asin, now can you hear me? I think you are facing some network issues, right? Okay, please wait. Okay. So,
Now I can. Ma'am, I cannot hear.
Okay. Please wait. Here everything
Ma'am,
is
I
fine.
cannot hear.
Okay. See, here everything is fine. See, let me check it. How many of you can hear me? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, I can hear you now.
Okay. Almost all can hear. Those are facing the network.
I can hear.
Okay. Mute your audio. Okay. Thank you. Mute it. So here I want to know what you understood the difference between the step well and the normal common well. Who can say it? Somebody mute your audio. Yeah. So who can say it? What is the difference between step well and our common well? Raise your hand. Those know the answer, raise it. Only Ethan, somebody, okay, Angelo. Okay, Angelo. Okay, unmute it. Unmute first. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
normal well is not deep.
Okay, not so deep. Very good. We can take the water using the
By the
ropes
rope.
and bucket. Okay, good. And what about the step well?
Step well is very deep.
Okay, so deep and what is
And
there are
there we cannot
do by rope and
Okay,
bucket.
we can't draw water using the bucket and all. So what is there inside?
I cannot hear your voice.
Okay, Ekaraj, please wait for
Ma'am,
your.
I cannot hear your voice.
Okay, Ekaraj, please wait
Ma'am,
for. Ekaraj,
I
please.
cannot hear your voice.
I can hear you. I can hear you, Ekaraj.
Ma'am,
I
I
can hear.
cannot hear your voice.
Mute your voice. Mute your audio first.
Ma'am,
Ekaraj, please mute your audio. So I think Ekraj is facing some severe network issues. That is why. Ekraj, please mute your audio. Okay, good. So, Angelo, please continue. What is the difference
I
between
cannot
these
hear
two?
your voice.
You.
Ekraj.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
Okay, Angelo,
Ma'am.
you can see steps in it, right?
Yes.
Steps in those wells so that we can go through that. Okay, so these are earlier days. So these all are the water storage system that which used in the olden days. And see, when the forts, you have seen the forts, right? So when the
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
yes, yes,
ma'am,
yes,
I
Sonia.
have a doubt.
Yes, ask me. Yeah, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, it in the water tank, it is dipped.
In the water tank, it is dipped means, sorry, what it is dipped?
Ma'am, dip.
It is deep, deep.
Yeah.
Okay, that step wells are so deep. That is why. Okay, so that is why that steps were constructed in it. So that people can go through that and can take. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to draw water out of it. It is not like a normal, the common wells which we can see in our place. Okay, so shall I
Thank
go
you,
to
ma'am.
the next one?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Another storage system, it is the water tanks in the forts. You have seen the forts, right? Okay, see, please wait. Those can't hear it, please wait. I see here everything is fine. Ekaraj, Asin and Asin. So,
Ma'am, I can hear you now.
okay. So this during that when they construct in the earlier days, when the kings and kingdom that time, when they construct their forts, they will construct this one, a huge water tank in their forts. That because they can collect the rain water in it. Understood? Water tanks were dug to collect the rain water in those pots, so that they can use that water for the other purpose. So likewise also they stored water. And another one is that the people construct bunds across the river. So you may think what is meant by bund? B-U-N-D, bund. Bund means a barrier is made across a river. Bund is a barrier made across a river so that they can prevent the flow of water from the river. It is a miniature model of dam. Dams you have seen, right? A big walls were constructed across the river. That is called dam. But here we can see the bunds. Bunds are the small barriers which are constructed across a river. Through that bund, we can prevent the flow of river. Why it is so? Because during the rainy season, the river contain lots of water, right? So it can flow. But during the summer days, the water will be less in the river. If the water is less in the river, in some places, they may, people want to irrigate the crops, want to water their crops. During the severe summer days, there will be less water. So, what all water there in the nearby rivers, they want to store it. So, what they will do? Using some small stones or using soil, they will make a small barrier across the small wall, across the river. The small walls made of stones and soil. It is called bunds. Understood? The small walls made out of small stones and soil, it is called bunds. When we construct a bund across a river, that can prevent the flow of river. So that during the summer season, farmers will get water of that place. Farmers will get water. They can water their crops. Okay, these all things. But if it is a rainy season, if the river gets lots of water, it can flow over these small bunds. Otherwise, people can break that bunds to get that rivers to flow. But dams are not like this, right? We can't break it. But bunds are miniature model of, small model of the dams which we are constructing in the, we are making in the river, across the river. So, let me ask you one question. Okay, so what do you mean by bunds across a river? Who can say it? Bunds across a river. Who knows about bund? Who can say? Raise your hand. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Len, unmute it, Len. Yes. Can you hear me, Len?
Store water.
Okay, to store water. Okay, we are making the bunds across. Where we are making the bunds? Where we are making these bunds?
Across
River.
Okay, very good. Across the river for storing water. It is a small model of the bund, small model of the dam. Okay. Okay. So today we had discussed about earlier days how the water is stored. These are through the wells, right? Two types of wells are there. Then another one, water tanks in the forts. Water tanks in the forts. And another, Krishnesh, please mute your audio. And another one, it is the by making bunds across the river. By these all methods, Asen, mute your audio. Asen, mute your audio first. So, because by these all methods, the earlier days people had stored the water. Now we want to discuss which all methods we are using now to store water. So let me ask, how you are storing water in your home, at your home? How water is stored in your home?
building tank.
Okay, through the water tank. Okay, very good. Through the water tank. So let me ask.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my house it's water tank.
Water tank is there. Okay, Tonio. Then tell me, Tonio. See how the water gets into the water tank. From where you get the water to fill the water tank? Tell me. No.
Water.
1 minute.
From the filter.
By filter. By filter. From the water tank, you may send the water to the filter and you can use it. Okay.
Yes.
Where you are getting water to fill your water tank?
Well.
From the well.
Water.
Okay, okay. So mute your audio. Everybody mute it. So some may keep some motor pump to pump water from the wells to your water tank, right?
Ma'am, from groundwater.
Ah, very good. That is what I want to. But in some of your house, say you can see from the ground, from the underground, through using the motor pump from the underground using some pipes, we can pump the water into our water tank. And that it is called bore well. That it is called bore well. Okay. Bore well. Mute your audio, Nora. Mute it. So without my permission, why you are unmuting? It will disturb the whole class. So this one, nowadays, we can store water in the water tank. So water tank is a method, is a water storage system. And another, bore wells. Bore wells means in the underground. In the from the underground, we can take the water using motor pumps using the pipes. That is called bore well. Sometime at your home, the water in the water tank, it may be filled from the wells. But sometimes, some of your houses, you can see the water tank is filled by taking water from the underground. That it is called bore well. And I want to one another question, which is the important water storage system which we are using now? Who can say? Raise your hand. Important water storage.
Solar.
No. Raise your hand. Don't unmute and simply tell the answer. I will give the chance. Which is the most important, big and very important water storage system which we are using now? Every day, especially during the rainy season, we can hear that name. It is filling? Dam. Very good. Dam. Okay. Who wants to talk? Tell your name. Yes?
Ma'am, land.
Okay, Len. What you want? Len?
Ma'am, dam, I said.
Okay, good. Very good. Dam.
Am I also?
Okay. I know you all know that answer. That is why I gave the clue. Dams are the most important water storage system used in recent time. Right? See how these dams are made. These dams are, see, one big wall. Big walls will be built across the river, right? Big walls may constructed across the river so that it can prevent the flow of water, flow of river. So behind the walls of the dam, we can see a large lake. Am I right? Behind the walls of the dam, you can see a large lake full of water. That artificial lake is called reservoir. Okay. See, behind the big walls of the dam, you can see water is stored like a big lake. That artificial lake is called reservoir. Okay.
And dam is very.
Okay. So during the.
Some dam is made of a big stone.
Yeah, it is constructed by using so many techniques were used for its construction. It is not like the bun. We can't break it. Okay. So dams,
Ma'am, it's very strong.
Strong. Dams, borewells and water tanks. These are the water storage system which we are using nowadays. Okay. So everybody read the textbook page number 29 and 30. Everyone should read
29 and
30.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. and
29 and
30.
31.
Now I want to
31 now.
I want to
Okay, 31.
close the. I want to finish the class. Okay.
Okay, okay.
For everybody, happy Onam. Enjoy.
Thank you, Madam.
Okay. Thank you.